Hello everyone and thank you for joining me today. We are going to dive into a useful Excel formula called Datedif. Whether you are working with employee tenure, calculating the age of someone based on their birth date, or measuring duration between two project milestones, Datedif can be real-time saver. But first let's break down what is it, how it works, and why it's so powerful. What is Datedif formula? The Datedif formula in Excel calculates the difference between two dates. What sets Datedif apart from other date function is that it gives you flexibility in how you want to display the difference, whether in year, months, or days. In its simplest form, the formula looks like this. Here are four components of this formula. There are four components, three components of this formula. First is start date. This is the earlier of two dates. End date. This is the later date. And unit. This defines how you want to result to be displayed, whether you want the difference in years, months, or days. The unit can be one of the following: the Y, M, D, YM, YD, MD. So Y is for years, M for months, and D for days. YM for the difference in months, ignoring the years. YD for the difference in days, MD for the difference in days, ignoring the years and months. Now let's look at the some example to really make sense of it. First example is calculate is in years. Let's say we want to calculate the age of a person who was born on Jan 1991. ITOB 1991. As of today, we want to calculate the age of that person. So what we will use? We will use date if this today. So as you can see, the age of this person is 33 year old. Second example, let's say you are working on a project and want to know how many months have passed from March 2023 to November 13, 24. So to calculate this, we will use like project start date 11/2023 month past. Dated if starting date today, choose M. So as you can see, here is the result: 22 months passed from 1st of Jan 2023. And third example of this is that if you want to calculate the days between the dates, like if you want to calculate the days from 1st January 2023, so here you will use, so this formula showed you the result of days passed from 1st January 2023. Apart from that, if you are working on some project, like if you want to calculate the partial year and months, which is the one of the advanced feature of Datedif, its ability to calculate partial year or months, which can be very useful in specific situation. For example, if you want to find out how many full months are between two dates, ignoring the years, you can use this formula for the same. So if you want to see the result, if you want to see that how many full months has been passed ignoring years from 1st of Jan 2020, so here you will use dated if. As you can see that this formula ignores years completely. It shows only full month passed from 1st of Jan to November 13. As we know that from Jan to November we have 10 months between this. And as this video is in very simple language, so hope you guys like this. Thank you.